What are you doing there? Shouldn't you be working on the statistics project?
We're working on it, miss, just in a more interactive way.
We've turned analysis into something visual to explain the data better. It's for the European statistics competition.
Statistic in a game. That's something I definitely don't believe.
Where are we?
The labyrinth of generations.
We are the first generation raised with smartphones.
But what does the data say about Gen Z? Do you know, miss?
Let's discover together.
Gen X learned in school. Gen Z learns everywhere. In 2022, 28% of us spoke 2 or more languages, 3 times more than Gen X. And we learn by doing, streaming, gaming. In 2024, we still lead in non-formal learning.
Gen Z leads in digital skills. Gen X, almost 27% had them in 2019. The gap narrowed by 2023, but we're still ahead by 18%.
Gen Z went online early, 70% by 2015. Gen X, just 30%. By 2024, they caught up, 88% online. With different tempos, but in sync, we make harmony.
Today, 1 in 3 young people works. Gen X, 2 in 3 had jobs. In the past 10 years, the lower employment rate among Gen Z reflects that we're still in school, so don't rush the comparison.
In 2015, nearly half of you faced economic risk. In 2024, it dropped to 29.5%. We improved, but challenges still remain.
In 2015, 48% of youth joined cultural or sports events. By 2022, the number dropped, but for all ages. Still, Gen Z keeps the scene alive.
In 2022, both generations Z and X rated life similarly. We live differently, but we feel just as content.
No matter the generation, we value work. In Romania, even more than in the EU.
We started from differences, but the numbers showed us something else, that we are closer than we think.
You know, I think the labyrinth wasn't really about how we get out.
It was about how we go through it, together.
Discovering one another. Our generations so different, and yet so deeply connected.
Alright, now I think I need to learn how to teach statistics through games. And you will have to become the teachers. Are you ready?
Change accepted!